Hello everyone, welcome to G1 Biology and Chemistry classes. Today we will perform the salt analysis of ammonium acetate CH₃COONH₄. Our aim is to identify the basic radical and the acidic radical present in the given salt. Required chemicals are sodium hydroxide, ethanol, concentrated sulfuric acid, red litmus paper, and the given salt sample. First, observe the physical properties. The salt is white, crystalline, odorless, and soluble in water. Take a small amount of salt in a test tube and add sodium hydroxide solution. Heat the test tube gently. A pungent smelling gas starts evolving. Bring moist red litmus paper near the mouth of the test tube. It turns blue. This confirms the evolution of ammonia gas and the presence of the ammonium ion, NH4+. Now take a fresh sample of the salt. Add ethanol, followed by a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. Heat the mixture gently. A pleasant fruity smell is produced due to the formation of ethyl acetate. The fruity smell confirms the presence of the acetate ion, CH₃COO. Result: the given salt is ammonium acid containing NH4+ as the basic radical and CH₃CO as the acidic radical. Thank you for watching.